Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Satish Srinivas Kamboj from Deshbhushan Kulbhushan Vidyalay Kunthalgiri. In the previous video, we have learned problem set 1, question number 3 to question number 6. So, today we are going to learn problem set question number 7 to question number 10. Question number 7. Write the following statement in conditional form. या ठिकाणी जर तर स्वरूपामध्ये तुम्हाला विधाने लिहावयाची आहेत. म्हणजे जी विधाने दिलेली आहेत ती सशर्त स्वरूपामध्ये आपणाला मांडावयाची आहेत. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज एव्हरी rhombus is a square. If the given quadrilateral is a square, then it must be a rhombus. This is the conditional form, sashart vidhan. Second statement is angle in a linear pair are supplementary. If the given two angles are forming a linear pair, then they are supplementary. Third statement is a triangle is a figure formed by three segments. Conditional form is if the given figure is a triangle, then it is formed by three segments. Fourth statement is a number having only two divisors is called a prime number. A number having only two divisors is called a prime number. Conditional form is if the given number is having only two divisors, then it is a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Question number 8. Write the converse of each of the following statements. Converse दिलेल्या विधानाचा व्यत्यास तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे. If the sum of measures of angle in a figure is 180 degree, टायपिंग मिस्टेक आहे, 180 अंश, then the figure is a triangle. तिन्ही कोणाच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 असते तेव्हा ते त्रिकोण असतं. कॉन्व्हर्स त्याचा. If the given figure is a triangle, then the sum of the measures of its angle is 180 degree. जर दिलेली आकृती त्रिकोण असेल तर त्यांच्या तिन्ही कोणाच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 अंश असते. Second statement is if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are complement to each other. Converse is, if the given two angles are complement of each other, then the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree. Third is, if the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two lines are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. Converse is, if the given two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two lines are congruent. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. दिलेल्या संख्येमधील अंकांच्या बेरजेला जर 3 ने भाग जात असेल तर त्या संख्येला 3 ने भाग जातो. आता कॉन्व्हर्स बघा. इफ द गिवन नंबर इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3, then the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Question number 9. Write the antecedent म्हणजे गिवन पार्ट म्हणजेच त्याला आपण पक्ष म्हणतो, and the consequent पार्ट टू बी प्रूव्ड म्हणजे साध्य इन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. दिलेल्या विधानाचे पक्ष आणि साध्य आपणाला लिहावयाचे आहेत. अँटीसिडंट आणि कॉन्सिक्वेंट त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये पूर्वार्ध आणि उत्तरार्ध असे म्हणतात. गिवन पार्ट, पार्ट टू बी प्रूव्ड, पक्ष साध्य. First statement is, if all sides of a triangle are congruent, then its all angles are congruent. जर त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही बाजू एकरूप असतील तर त्यांचे तिन्ही कोण एकरूप असतात. Antecedent, the given part, all the sides of a triangle are congruent. Consequent part to be proved is, its all angles are congruent. Second statement is, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. The statement can be written in conditional form as, if the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its diagonals bisect each other. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, दिलेल्या विधानाचं कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंटमध्ये रूपांतर केलेलं आहे. नंतर त्याचा अँटीसिडंट आणि कॉन्सिक्वेंट लिहिलेला आहे. Antecedent means given part. The given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Consequent, its diagonals bisect each other. Question number 10. Draw a labeled figure showing information each other in each of the following statements and write the antecedent and the consequent. First is, two equilateral triangles are similar. First, the given statement can be written in conditional form as, if the given two triangles are equilateral, then they are similar. Antecedent, the given part. The given two triangles are equilateral. Consequent, म्हणजे साध्य, they are similar. पूर्वांग आणि उत्तरांग. In a figure, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equilateral triangles, so they are similar to each other. Second is, if angles in a linear pair are congruent, then each of them is a right angle. आता दिलेलं स्टेटमेंट कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंटच्या रूपामध्येच दिलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे डायरेक्ट अँटीसिडंट आणि कॉन्सिक्वेंट आपण या ठिकाणी लिहूया. अँटीसिडंट, पूर्वांग. गिवन पार्ट, द अँगल्स इन ए लिनियर पेअर आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. कॉन्सिक्वेंट, उत्तरांग म्हणजे साध्य, each of them is a right angle. Each of them is a right angle. Here in figure, angle AOC and angle BOC forming a linear pair are congruent to each other, so each of them is a right angle. लिनियर पेअरची बेरीज 180 अंश असते, आपणाला माहीत आहे. आणि प्रत्येक दोन्ही कोण एकमेकांशी कसे आहेत, कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत, म्हणजे एकरूप आहेत. म्हणजेच कसे असणार आहेत, 90 डिग्री असणार आहे. म्हणून काय म्हणलेलं आहे, सो ईच ऑफ देम इज ए राईट अँगल. थर्ड वन इज, if the altitudes drawn on two sides of a triangle are congruent, then those two sides are congruent. आता antecedent, the altitudes drawn on two sides of a triangle are congruent. Consequent, those two sides are congruent. In a figure, ABC is triangle and BL and CM, sec BL and sec CM are the altitudes. Here, BL and CM are the altitudes drawn on two sides AC and AB respectively of triangle ABC and are congruent. So side AB is congruent to side AC. Side AB is congruent to side AC. Today we have learned problem set 1, question number 7 to question number 10. We have learned in first chapter point, line and plane, coordinates of a points and distance, betweenness, conditional statements, converse, proofs, etc. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share this video with your all friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have some doubt in today's session, comment below. I will reply you. Bye friends. Have a good day. Thank you.